Jason Rona back here with JConcepts. We're with JR Mitch. We're talking about 8-scale truck tires. You might want to call it a truggy. We call it 8-scale truck. But we're here talking about a brand new tire, the Subcultures. A lot of people have asked us for this tire. It's been super successful with the 8-scale buggy. Talk a little bit about the Subcultures, and we'll show you here. We got a purpose-built design wheel. We call this the elevated bead wheel, and you can see here we got an angular design. What we wanted to do is, these tires typically carry a ton of weight, and we're constantly being asked to reduce weight, and what we've kind of came up with was the ability to incorporate the sidewall into the bead, and you can see here how we've accomplished that, and we've made a wheel to match. So the unique thing about what's going on here is we're able to reduce some bead weight on the tire, and we have a wheel to match. So combining your three elements here, the wheel, the insert in the tire, the ultimate truggy tire, the Subculture pattern. JR, you've had your truggy out there at many races. We race on the state series all the time. You race some truggy. We were just up at the Motorama big race in Pennsylvania. Tell us a little about the Subcultures here.
Yeah, I mean, when you first showed me this tire, I was kind of skeptical about the whole mounting it and all that other stuff. When I looked at it the first time, I'm like, how does that work? And then you gave me a set of tires, and I mounted it, and it was extremely easy to mount. Went on very well. I actually didn't use any rubber bands or anything like that to mount the tire. The light weight of the tire really helps out a lot, included with the insert and the wheel. And the Subculture tire, you can't really say too much more about that. I mean, it's got your forward traction, your side traction, everything incorporating, even your long lasting with the 2-pin design. So it works very well. I'm very impressed with this tire.
It's one of the things about the Subcultures, we call it a 3-tier design. Really, there's sort of a grid of tread on the bottom. There's our next step up, and then there's the sort of our main tread on top, which is doing a lot of the work initially. You'll be racing on track conditions where you know, there might be some loose dirt on the outside or in the line of the track. That's where the Subculture really kind of really thrives in those conditions. I know this was the tire that both Ryan and JR used at Motorama. Ryan was lucky enough to get the win out there. The tire looked really good to me on the track, and I know it's going to be an excellent truggy tire. We've had a lot of positive reviews from our team and some customers out there who really like the way this looks. Another unique kind of aspect to this tire is the fact that you can also mount this on a standard truggy wheel. Now, this is something we did at our Clash event earlier in the year when we didn't have this wheel available to us. But in a crunch or at a Roar National event, something like that, where you want to mount this down onto the bead, you can do that, use a standard size truggy wheel. So we're really excited about the Subculture. You know, the lightweight design, the new wheel. We got a nice insert combination with it. This is what you can expect from JConcepts.